Welcome back to Ballistic Coalition. So we're in my dirt pile that I call a shooting range. We're going to be stretching it out with all this dirt that we got for free. I picked this up a while ago. I was actually just checking it out. We just found some tomatoes on the other side of that. I'm going to show you a video of those guys in a minute. So we got a little garden on the other side of my shooting range over here. I don't suggest eating those lead-infested fucking tomatoes, but hey, I mean, if you want to give them a try, I'll send them out to somebody if they want them. But we're going to be stretching this range out. We're going to drop a tree in a different video. We're going to be dropping this towards the pond. But yeah, let me give you guys a walk around of what we got going on. So right here, I was just walking around investigating, and I found a whole bunch of range tomatoes. They look yummy. Nice lead-infested fucking tomatoes. Straight off the vine if anybody wants them. There's a bunch of them over here. So the goal is I gotta clear all this out to the back side here. We're gonna take all this dirt from where that loader is. I gotta dig myself a path back. This is all mounds of dirt. It's kind of getting grown over with grass. But we're gonna stretch all that dirt, push it back here, and fill this in. We're standing on top of the range right now. And it's about maybe 12 foot deep. It's a little overgrown up top here, but it'll get some fresh dirt on there soon. You guys will be along with me for the ride. Okay, so we're at my range. This is about as far as I got on it today. It's a little wetter than I thought when I came out this morning. From the hurricane, it's still really soft after driving over it a lot. You can see I'm getting some huge ruts. I got stuck a few times, but I got through to this backside. This used to be my right hand side berm. I dug through here. We got all the way through here. I also got stuck trying to build up the dirt on the backside of my berm. Got these huge ruts. But we got dirt piled up over there. As you can see, from about this tree all the way to a little before this tree is all dirt, about 15-20 foot thick of dirt. Easily could stop a bear at 50 cal. I don't have one of them. It'd be cool to get one. But here's where I was going through. All this is the filler dirt, what's covered in grass. It's been growing all summer now. I had dropped off a while and we're just starting on the project now, but this is about as far as I could get today, at least. It's a little too wet. We're gonna have to let it dry out some. Hopefully this rain holds up, but a hell of a lot of dirt left. We're hoping that this range is going to be about 50 foot long and probably 20 foot high, maybe 15 foot high. As high as I could get it with that forward loader right there. So I got a lot to clean up still. So it's probably what I'm going to be doing after I finish up this video. I got jugs and shit I still got to clean up. Just garbage that's been blown up, bricks, chunks of wood, styrofoam, just everything and anything. Thank you for watching, guys. There's no more we could do today. It's a little bit too wet, so we're gonna have to push this off probably a week. Hopefully we don't get any rain, and hopefully we'll be able to get this done in 2 videos, if not 3 videos. So after that, we'll be doing some videos on steel target stands, paper target stands, just out of 2x4s and plywood that you can staple up your paper on. 2x4s for the steel target stands, little spring and everything to stop from ricochets, get a good ding on your plate, you know. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe.